Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Robinhood crypto wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If your Robinhood wallet application is not running as smoothly as it is supposed to, then this might be because you have not installed the latest update for the application. So in order to fix this, open up your App Store and then from the App Store page, tap on the search box and type in Robinhood Wallet and start your search. Once you find the Robinhood Wallet application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Go ahead and tap on the update button and wait for a little while until the installation is completed. Once the download and installation of the latest updates are completed, you will see the open button once again. So go ahead and tap on this, and now this will open up the Robinhood Wallet application. And now you will see that the application is running very smooth. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the latest updates on the Robinhood crypto wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.